Hey guys, it's Ray and today I'm going to tell you how I made my empty lady costume in a few words. Here are all the fabrics that I used and they all are different types of lycra. For the main bodysuit I used my Catwoman costume as a pattern, and that's because I didn't save the actual pattern of the costume, so don't do that. And yeah, here's my cat. Why are they always doing that? Time to leave, kitty! So I folded the beige matte lycra in half and pinned the costume along the fold line. The front part doesn't have a front seam and that's why we need an arch here to get rid of folds. Here are some good pictures of the bodysuit pattern and how it should look. I simply outlined the front and back sides of the costume. The back consists of two parts with the seam in the middle for better fitting of the suit, and also that's where I'm going to insert a hidden zipper. Cutting out all the pieces, leaving large seam allowance just in case. To quickly transfer all the lines to the other side, I'm pinning along the chalk line and use pins to draw the line on the other part. Then I'm pinning and basting back and front parts together. After that, I needed to try on the base bodysuit to check if it fits, and I found out that one layer of the fabric is too thin, so I had to make the double layer of beige lycra. Next, I started to create the purple top part. The purple lycra was only two-way stretch, which means it stretches only crosswise, so it was important to place the pattern correctly. I decided to use Thunderbolt seam because it remains a bit stretchy and it's important when you're making a full bodysuit. To attach purple top part to the base suit, I had to sew a front corner seam. First I pinned and sewed one of the sides. Then clipped the corner close to the seam and pinned and sewed the other side. Joining backside pieces was much easier. Time to attach an orange stripe. I used the pattern of the purple part to draw the front and back stripes. Then I turned up the edges. But as the fabric is thin and slippery, I'm using pins to mark the line on the face side. This makes things easier for the next steps. After that, I'm basting the edge by hands and cut the excess fabric. Now I can finally pin it to the front part of the suit. Doing the same thing with the back stripes, of course with the help from my cat. It's important to perfectly connect the stripes on the side seams. Pin, baste and sew by sewing machine. First stripes are attached and that was actually the easy part. Also finished sewing all the other seams on the costume. Time for the sleeves! Yay! I hate it! By the way, check out my erasable fabric marker! So cool, right? Don't forget to mark the front and back parts of the sleeve and also the center. And the craziest part of the costume is armpits. Look at how tricky they are! I ended up with this pattern for the purple parts. Then I needed to add orange stripes here as well. And these are the buttons for the sleeve trims. I'm still not sure if they are correct, but well... And here are the base shoes for the boots. I didn't want them to be flat cause it doesn't look good with the bodysuit, so they have wedge. I'm planning to make a more detailed video about these boots, and you can also watch my boots covering tutorial to know how they were made. I had to attach boots right to the costume, and this is a crazy thing, so I'm really glad that I bought comfortable shoes. I had to put on the suit first to pin the boots correctly, and sew them right to the bodysuit. This is how the half-down costume looked on me. After attaching sleeves, all the orange stripes and hidden zipper, I only needed to make gloves. And yes, I don't like to just outline my hand and sew, so I'm doing it the hard way. Orange trim again, and the gloves are done. Just a small detail has left, the ornament at the front part of the costume. In the end, I decided to cut and glue on the petals with the help of fusible webbing. So I placed them on the costume and attached with the help of an iron. Nice and clean. Finally, now the fun part! Since we've got the new toy and I didn't have enough time to have fun with the EVA foam, I asked Brad to 3D print the horns for me. And he did just a fantastic job! Then we thought about how to attach them to the wig, even thought about magnets, but we didn't use them in the end. So I ended up with making foam rolls and hot gluing them into the holes. Here is the wire construction sewn into the wig with wire stubs. And I just put on the horn, and thanks to the foam rolls it holds really well. I must say that I really enjoyed making the mask. I already uploaded the more detailed video about the mask on the channel, so here I'm just showing a few steps. And done! Empty lady costume is finished! Thank you for watching, please push the like button if you'd like to see more of such videos and subscribe to the channel, it will help us a lot. Bye!